Hey, Tyler and Kara. I have the 2016 Chevrolet Traverse LT with all-wheel drive back here in Cedarville now. Sorry it wasn't here when you guys were walking around the lot checking it out yesterday. Hope you were careful because this lot is very slick in places and gets sabotaged as you. Does have a hitch on it, backup camera. It is all-wheel drive. It's in white. Has the alloy wheels. Hope everything's going well with you guys. Hope the little one's doing fine. Power driver seat, cloth seats. Does have the cold weather package, so it has the heated seats and remote start. Also has the Chevy MyLink touchscreen radio. Has the sunroofs, the dual sunroof, so the front panel is powered. The rear panel is stationary. 7-passenger seating. Looks like somebody has the back part of the back seats folded down. So it's here in Cedarville, 35,048 miles. If you have any questions on it, let me know. Let's set up a time to get it to have you guys take it for a drive and check it out. Sounds like you're going to trade in Kara's Terrain. Would love to have that back. We're always looking for great trade-ins from people that take really good care of their vehicles. Has fog lights too on the front, the LED markers. So if you have any questions, let me know. Let's set up a time to get together. Weather's going to be crappy the next couple days again. We just can't seem to get a break. But you know how to get a hold of me. Let's figure something out. Hope you're having a great Monday. Stay warm, stay safe.